Hi guys, welcome to the 1 minute videos. So sometimes in our clinics, parents come and say that my child has amazing language skills, he has good vocabulary and syntactic skills and can make a good long complex sentence as well. However, he does not speak when he is supposed to speak. He does little conscious in front of his peers. Or sometimes on the other hand, he speaks too much and it's irrelevant to the situations. Well, all this leads to the conclusion of having a social communication disorder or lack of social skills, and it can be diagnosed as pragmatic language impairment. So in the next 1 minute, I'm going to tell you some red flags that you need to look for to diagnose them as pragmatic language impairment. First one is the child does not know what to say in what context. For example, suppose someone is sick in the house, or there is a very formal situation, a social gathering per se, for a cause, and the child goes to such a situation and starts telling some of the jokes or some of his old stories in front of everyone. He does not understand that it's inappropriate to speak in certain situations. Secondly, child is not able to defend himself, or child is not able to speak up for himself. For example, if two children are playing something and one of the child is dominating over the other child is not able to defend and speak up that no, it's my turn, or no, it's wrong, it's not supposed to be done like that, or they don't often indulge in quarreling. They'll just let how the other person is treating him, they'll just let them. Child will not be able to ask questions even as a courtesy. So if some child has come, he'll not even say a hello to you unless you say a hello to him. Not even to you, not even to his friends. Suppose you ask him that how did your weekend go? The child might answer like it was good, I did this, but then he will not ask you back as a courtesy also that how was your weekend or how are you. Another very important characteristic is child is not able to rephrase his utterances. Suppose he tells you something and you're not able to understand. Like that day the boy hit me. I said what? The boy hit me. What? The boy hit me. The child is not able to elaborate or anything, or he does not understand that the other person is not understanding what I'm saying. So I need to rephrase it. So it is a part of a body language to understand a body language of the person and to judge whether to reframe my utterances or not. Next, the child might have difficulty in understanding humor, sarcasm, and other emotions, or might show some unexpected or different emotions at different contexts. So, for example, if there is a funeral, the child might not understand why is everyone crying, or a friend needs some help, then I'm supposed to help that friend. He does not understand these things. He will not understand what is sympathy. So all these things are lacking. So we learn here that apart from your turn taking, topic initiation, maintenance, terminance, all of the other things that were mentioned earlier are also very important in pragmatics. So there are various checklists and various assessment tools to do a pragmatic assessment. So you should suspect, when your language is normal, you're supposed to suspect that there could be a pragmatic language impairment, assess it well and accordingly treat. Hope you all found this video interesting and useful. Thank you.